she's the woman, soul of the family. Woman, she's the woman, she's made a mark, she's come so far. Woman, she's the woman, pride of India. She is the mother who gives all she can. She is the wife who stands by her man. She is a role model for everyone, celebrating life. She's the one. Glad rags, Mrs.
Well, everyone, our top 15, glamorous top 15, of course, contestants, give them a huge round of applause in their bridal wear tonight, right here in front of all of us. All right, now these girls have been judged based on a number of tasks, and of course, previously, this is a TV reality series, and there have been a series of tasks and judgments that have been going on, based on which there have been a few sub-awards. But before that, can I please request the judges to please come on stage? All right, our first sub-award, the HTC Most Potential, goes to, can I request my favorite Neswadia to please come forward? And the award goes to, well, it goes to Hitika. Hitika, can we please come forward?
Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, what every woman wants to be. Woman, she's the woman, soul of the family.
Our next sub-award, Glad Rags Best Model. And for that, I'd request Mrs. Wadia to do the honors. And the winner for Glad Rags Best Model is Anuja Shinde.
Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India.
Our next sub-award is Bold from Tata Motors, Mrs. Elegant. And for that, I'd request our Kings 11 player Maxwell to do the honors. And the winner for Bold from Tata Motors, Mrs. Elegant is, well, our wild card entry tonight, Gargi Duggal from Chandigarh. Well, our next sub-award, Bombay Dyeing Most Beautiful, and I request Sean Marsh to do the honors. And the winner for Bombay Dyeing Most Beautiful is, well, the winner is Chaitra Potraj. Chaitra, can we have you up front? Our next sub-award, well, girls, this is, you all been through this, so you know who it is. The Fortune Basmati Rice Kitchen Queen goes to, girls, who does the Kitchen Queen go to? Well, yes, come on, Hitika, come up front.
Mrs. India.
Lavasa Mrs. Exotic. And can I request Miller to do the honors, please? The winner for Lavasa Mrs. Exotic is Anika Gupta. Our next sub-award for tonight is Go Air Most Popular. May I please request Mr. Sanjay Bhangar to do the honors. The winner for Go Air Most Popular is, well, it goes to Dr. Tanushri. Our next sub-award for the night, Bright Advertising Most Photogenic. Can I please request Mr. Rishi Dhawan to do the honors? And the winner for Bright Advertising Most Photogenic goes to, well, she already is a model, so no prizes for guessing. It goes to Shamal. Everyone, our winner for the night, Shamal. Well, congratulations. And moving on to our last sub-award, the HTC Most Glamorous. I request Mrs. Natasha to please do the honors. And the winner for HTC Most Glamorous goes to, well, our wildcard entry, again, Mrs. Lavasa Sadamini Nayak. And with that, congratulations to all the sub-award winners. Thank you, judges. Okay, now you've all met our top 15 contestants for the HTC Gladrags Mrs. India. This is the finale pageant. From the top 15, lucky 10 will move forward from here. So this is the moment when I'm going to announce the top 10 from all of you tonight. So of course, one more time, wishing you ladies all the best. As I call out your name, I request you to please step forward. Our first contender in the top 10 is contestant number 1, Gargi Duggal. Everyone put your hands together for the top 10.
Gladrags, Mrs. India. Gladrags, Mrs. India.
Contestant number 2, Priya Goswami.
Gladrags, Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman.
Contestant number 4, Nishtha Gupta.
Woman, she's the woman. Soul of the family. Woman, she's the woman. She's made a
Contestant
mark.
number
She's
8,
come so far.
Chaitra Pothraj.
Woman, she's the woman. Pride of India. She is the mother.
Contestant
who
number 12,
gives all she
Anuja
can.
Shinde.
She is the wife who stands by her man.
Contestant number 15, Dr. Tanushree Pandey.
Celebrating life. She's the one.
Contestant number 60, Kritika Dhumi.
Gladrags, Mrs. India. Gladrags,
Contestant number 17, Anika Agrawal.
Mrs. India.
Contestant number 18, Shamal Kedar. And of course, our final one, contestant number 19, Sadamini Nayak.
Gladrags, Mrs. India. Gladrags, Mrs. India. Gladrags, Mrs. India. Gladrags, Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, what every woman wants to be. Woman, she's the woman, soul of the family. Woman, she's the woman, she's made a mark, she's come so far. Woman, she's the woman, pride of India. She is the mother who gives all she can. She is the wife who stands by her man. She is a role model for everyone, celebrating life. She's the one.
ahead with the evening, I quickly want to thank our sponsors one more time. HTC, of course, our main sponsor for the Gladrags Mrs. India pageant. It's India's and Southeast Asia's favorite mobile company. Tata Bolt, so get set Bolt in Tata's sporty casual car. Bombay Dyeing, India's oldest textile giant that brings home style to all of you. Go Air, our travel partner for the series. Fortune, Basmati rice which brings the real aroma of Basmati rice. Lavasa, the foremost lifestyle development project in India, our exotic filming location partner also. Bright Advertising, our outdoor media partner. The Philippines Tourism Board. Well, one more time, go ahead, have loads of fun in the Philippines. And of course, JW Marriott, our location and hospitality partner for the HTC Gladrags Mrs. India Grand Finale pageant. And with that, can I please call on stage one more time our top 10 finalists for the night. Put your hands together as our contestants come back on the stage.
Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, what every woman wants to be. Woman, she's the woman, soul of the family. Woman, she's the woman, she's made a mark, she's come so far. Woman, she's the woman, pride of India.
Our top 10 finalists today.
She is the mother.
And now, इन्हीं में से चुनी जाएंगी हमारी आज शाम की top 5 finalists. Top 5 from our top 10 tonight, right here, and the results have reached me. Now time to announce our top 5 contestants from all of you ladies. So all the best. Our first contestant in the top 5 is, well, contestant number 8, Chaitra, everyone. Contestant number 15, Dr. Tanushri Pandey.
Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India.
Contestant number 16, Hitika.
Gladrags Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, when things are tough, she's always there. Woman, she's the woman, with love she fills the air. Woman, she's the
Contestant number 19, Sadamini Nair.
woman, she's the woman, always on the go. She is the rock that never breaks. She is the winner, she has got what it takes. She is the role model for
Contestant number 17, Anika.
life. She's the one. Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India, Gladrags Mrs. India.
Everyone, your top 5 contestants tonight, I think they deserve a bigger round of applause from all of you. You know that feeling, every mother अपने बच्चे को सिखाती पढ़ाती है कि स्कूल में आंसर कैसे करना है, क्वेश्चन एग्जाम कैसे देना है, पेपर कैसे देना है, and all of that. We mothers are brilliant at that. But when it comes to yourself, let's see how good you do. So well, this is the round that a lot of people dread. इस round से बहुत ही ऐसे लोग हैं जो डरते हैं, but I'm sure you ladies are going to pass with flying colors. So everyone, this is the question and answer round. I have the judges, the names of the judges written on these cards in my hand. So pick one and let's see who the lucky judge is who gets to ask you a question. So we'll start with contestant number 8. Mrs. Natasha Poonawalla.
Good evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
judges.
This one. I actually had a question on leadership. Do women make better leaders than men? And why?
Yes, ma'am. I think women do make better leaders than men because they feel and they also know what goes inside the hearts of the people. Because they know how to love, they know how to nurture, they know how to bring about a change in the future, in the present. And that's the reason I think they make a better leaders. Men also make better leaders, but women are any day a step ahead.
Well, that's what we call true women empowerment. Way to go, Chaitra. And now contestant number 15, everyone, we have Dr. Tanushree. Dr. Tanushree, आपने तो बहुत पढ़ाई करी है, so I'm sure you know all the answers which are there. So let's see how good you are. Come on, pick a judge.
Mr. Miller.
So are you more excited about the question or the judge?
I think the judge.
Oh, thank you very much. I've got one question. One law you would like to break?
One law that I would like to break, even though I'm not a trespasser, would be the many laws in India that are making women one step behind men. To name a few, there were laws such as where live-in relationships weren't given equal importance, but now they are. So that is one law that has changed, and there are multiple laws like this where women are not